first, an outbreak of COVID-19 cases at the Pima County Health Department left many with questions about how it all happened and how they're planning to stop the spread. This is what they had to say at a press conference earlier today. On Wednesday, leaders at the Pima County Health Department took questions from the media after announcing that Department Health Director Dr. Teresa Cullen tested positive for the coronavirus. We're told Dr. Cullen is managing cold-like symptoms and contact tracing is underway.
She did what was the right thing, which is when she was sick at work, she went home, she got tested, and she kept the rest of her team safe.
Officials say the positive case stems from an outbreak involving 11 employees who work at the health department's headquarters on Ajo Way.
What this represents is the very widespread community transmission that we have that now has come to our department.
The outbreak comes after a protest involving several dozen people at the health department last week, and some of them didn't wear a mask. They entered the building and had close contact with security and staff.
We're not saying that that was a causal event that brought infection into that building.
So now the question is, how do they plan to stop the spread and similar incidents from happening in the future?
We have put in signage that says that you are not allowed into the building unless you have an appointment. We are having security enforce that relatively vigorously.
According to data from the county, more than 8,000 people have tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 7 days, and 7,000 county employees have tested positive since the start of the pandemic. Meanwhile, Dr. Garcia says that participating in contact tracing is key.
We cannot get any usable information unless people answer their phones. We are bending over backwards to make it as easy as possible. We are sending texts, we are leaving voicemails.
Right now, all employees are working remotely and getting tested, while the entire building goes through a sanitation process. Now, the health department will be closed until tomorrow until cleaning is done, and they are set to reopen tomorrow at noon. Meanwhile, the other businesses who share the same building